This is from the company called Limor. It's a pickleball set. It has indoor, outdoor, paddles, and more. Comes with a nice carrying bag that you can put it over your back. You can extend it, make it shorter, whatever you like. Let's open this up, show you what's inside the carrying case. It has a nice large zipper. It opens up for 2 indoors and 2 outdoor balls. You can see the difference in the holes on one and the other, in the different colors of yellow and orange. We get 4 balls, 2 paddles, made of fiberglass and protected. It has a nice design. Please remember to remove the plastic off the handles. Made of a grip rubber. Got a nice feel. Inside the paddle, there are honeycombs all around. They are covered and fiberglass. The handle is 4.7 inches, while the whole system is 15.7 inches, and the width is 7.9 inches, with a 0.57 inch diameter. The balls are 2.87 inches in circumference. The yellows are outdoor and the orange are indoor play. For kids of all ages, they are very strong and made of durable plastic. Grab a friend and go play pickleball. Inside the case, there is a line for anything there to separate your rackets, a mesh. So you place in your racket very simply inside. Separate the rackets by the mesh and place the indoors and outdoor balls back in like so. And take along to a park, a tennis court, wherever. It wraps around the shoulder and off you go. If you want to practice pickleball, you can practice wherever you like. Pickleball. Kids of all ages, hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.